Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amwakon Atta. For those joining me for the first time, a special welcome goes to you. If you are yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button down there to subscribe. And click on the notification bell to receive updates from me all the time. Thank you so much. Alright, so our discussion for today is going to be on how to discipline unruly students. So the question before us is, as a teacher, how do you discipline unruly students? Obviously, in every institution, you get students with deviant behaviors. And teachers, as nation builders, are to correct or help these students out. So how do we do that? So I'm going to share mine as I wait for yours at the comment section. So in my class, when I realize you are disturbing or you are putting up some behaviors that is not acceptable in the class, I give you a signal to warn you. If I realize it continues, such behavior continues, and I'll give you a small note to invite you to my office for counseling. Most of the times too, I involve my other teachers. A teacher whom I think he knows you very well and can help you out of it. I involve such teacher to counsel you on that. Most of the times too, I call the parents on phone to talk about it and discuss how we can help you out and give my suggestion to it. I remember I once faced a situation like that. There was this student in my class who was always sleeping in class. So I had to call the parents to involve the parents into the situation because all efforts was not successful. So I had to call the parents to inform them of what was happening to their ward. To my surprise, I was told that the child was not sleeping early, that he was sleeping very late into the night, very deep into the night, and so he was just watching movies and other things, playing games on the laptops. So what I told the parents was, I advised them to take the remote from him at certain time in the evening and to off the laptop and ask him to sleep. So with that practice, I observed that after some days, he was very active in class and he wasn't sleeping again. There was a student too who wasn't writing notes in my class. So what I did was, I called the parents to inform them about it. And they also told me that they were not aware of such behavior. So they interviewed the child, and the child was saying he wasn't having a book to write in. They were surprised. So they had to immediately get him books to write notes in. And everything was solved over there. So we are working with parents. So mostly we have to involve them in our decision making, especially when it concerns their world. So that is what I have been doing. I give a signal as a warning. I query you and invite you to my office for counseling. For that I do most of them. After speaking to them, some of them get a change of mind, leading to a change of attitude. But sometimes you have to go further, calling the parents to inform them about it. I have most of their contacts because I teach them on YouTube and other social media platforms. And these parents are part of those platforms, monitoring and supervising the activities of their wards over there. So when certain things happen in class, I inform them by phone, and we discuss and come out with appropriate suggestions. So that is how I do. I believe you also share yours at the comment section. And together, as teachers, we will build the nation. Teachers are nation builders and trainers of all professions. So let's do our best in our little ways. And I believe it is going to yield better fruits for these children. Thank you for your time. I believe this tutorial was helpful. Please do not forget to like and comment for future references. Thank you. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.